Are you two snuggling on the couch together? Steffo. You are. You want to show me how you walk? Say, sister, get your sticky feet out of my face. Yeah. What you doing, big boy? Let's see. What are these girls doing? Girls.
Hey, Mama. I'm Mr. Mama. I'm Mr. Booger.
You little stinkers.
Hi, Mr. Booger.
I should get some big dadas. I should get big dadas. I think I should squish your butt.
Hello, Mr. Hello, I'm Mr. Pickles.
Rawr. Rawr. Am I the monster? Is Steffo the monster? Are you the monster? Get your feet off him, please. I think Steffo wants on the couch. You want to put him on the couch?
Hi, Mr. Booger.
No, don't say that.
Mr. Booger. Hey, Mr. Piggy.
That's what he wanted. Don't push him off of you. Whoa.
Here, how about you go on the
Hey. Keep your feet to yourself. Don't push.
And how about you go on the outside?
Steffo, go get your sister.
Stop.
Go get her.
Don't get me.
Go get her. 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 Go get your sisters. Go get your sisters. Steffo, go get them. Go get them. Steffo, go get them. Go get them. Go get your sisters. Say bye-bye.